Good morning. Today we're at the city of Lincoln in England. Here in the UK, you can pull off the main highway and you may find a typical roadside cafe. Excellent value for money. Let's see if we can find a Lincolnshire sausage sandwich. Right, let's see what we've got here. Oh, here we go. What we've got is the old Lincolnshire sausage, spicy, seasoned, and a little bit of brown sauce and butter on a soft bread roll. Breakfast. Just £3. That's about $4. Very nice. Behind me is the Fosdyke Canal. The Fosdyke was built by the Romans 2,000 years ago, and it linked the city of Lincoln with the Trent, and in turn linked to Europe. Brayford Wharf is part of the Fosdyke and is the largest inland port in the country. Over to my right you can see Lincoln University, and the Fosdyke continues the whole of the way to the other side of Lincoln. We're now going to head up onto the high street, go up steep hill towards the Cathedral, the castle and Newport Arch. Thank you. You say nothing at all. Okay, we're now on the high street in Lincoln, heading up towards Steep Hill. It's about a 1 in 4 for about a mile, so it's going to be a hard slog up there. We're about halfway up Steep Hill. The buildings around here are, some of them are from the 12th, 13th century. King Edward I, known as Edward Longshanks, he was in rule at the time. Just getting to the steepest part now, starting to get out of breath. May have to stop talking till I get to the top. Typical British weather. Started raining.
Looks like hard work.
It's not bad, mate.
Nearly to the top. As we get near the top, there's a pub on the right hand side called the Magna Carta. And the reason why there's a pub there called the Magna Carta is because in Lincoln, still kept in the castle, is one of the original copies of the Magna Carta. In fact, the pub here behind me. There we go. The Magna Carta. The castle now is to my left. If I turn, you'll see. There's the castle, and in there is one of the original copies of the Magna Carta. If I turn 180 degrees, what Lincoln is famous for is the Cathedral. We'll get a little bit closer and maybe get the drone out so that you can see in all its glory. Right, so we're walking towards the cathedral. You can probably hear the bells ringing now. Let's hope you can hear me over the bells going through the main arch. And this is what Lincoln's famous for, Lincoln Cathedral. The highest structure man built for 2 centuries. Prior to that was the Great Pyramids of Egypt. This is Lincoln, England, UK. trying to find a place called the Newport Arch. The Newport Arch is 2,000 years old. It's the end of the Fosway, the Great Roman Road, which runs from Exeter all the way to Lincoln. So stick with us, let's see if we can find it. Built in 55 AD. The Newport Arch, the oldest used arch in the country. Still used, still traffic goes underneath it. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, let's do it. And it looks exactly the same from this side.